Christopher Phillips, Senior Superintendent of Police in charge of the St. Catharines South Division, and of course I'm here with Deputy Superintendent of Police, Earl Grant, who was the shift commander for the night. We're in the Cayman's Garden community of Gregory Park, and we're here because of an operation that started at midnight. Several teams moved in this area based on intelligence that we have been gathering over the past few days and weeks. We have been having some challenges in the Gregory Park area. Several reports of shootings, murders within the general Gregory Park area. And so last night, a joint military police team came in the area whilst they were pardoning the area. Several men ran in several directions. The pursuit was fired on, by some men in a particular house at a location. The police took evasive action and returned fire. One man was later found suffering from gunshot wound. He was rushed to the Spanish Town Hospital. It was reported that he later pronounced dead. One 9mm pistol was taken from him. A further search of the area, the team found one AK-47 rifle, one shotgun, several assorted rounds of ammunition, and a ballistic vest. We also observed that the men were actually utilizing rooftops within these communities. So one man was held on a rooftop with several assorted rounds. They do establish their lookout spots, and so we have disrupted that. This is a community now that we will have to get closer to the residents. The operation continues. We believe that there are more guns in this general area, and so the team will be focused in this area while longer. They have been here for over 8 hours now. So far we have taken 10 persons into custody, and of course the necessary will be done. We are sure that at least 4 persons will be charged. Indicom was alerted, and so the necessary processing of the scene will be done in due time.